you're all doing great. Today we are here to unbox and review Portronics UFO Pro. As you can see, this one very handy product. Where in the generation of us using so many gadgets, which has all the kind of charging needs. When you're traveling, you might have to carry 10 other chargers, one for your smartwatch, one for your phone, for your camera, and for your gimbal or whatever. That will occupy quite a big amount of the space in your bag, which can all be replaced with one single product, that is this one. So the advantage is it has 6 charging ports, and out of which one is USB type C, and one is fast charging, and remaining 4 are regular USB charging ports. I had to go on a trip and a vacation for 4-5 days, so ordered it on Amazon on the before day of my trip, and you won't believe, by midnight I had it in my hand. So since I had to collect it while I'm about to leave to the trip, so the unboxing happens in the hotel room. Check that out and come back. Let's see what's inside. Power cord, 1 meter long, and the charging hub. Yeah, you have seen the unboxing, right? Let me show you some shots of the product itself. It in the trip, and it was very handy, trust me. We charged 2 iPhones, watch, and one gimbal, one power bank. So it was seamless, no problems whatsoever, and it comes with 1 meter long cable. Let me take the product into hand. I'll show you. So when you see this looks like an UFO, so they named it as a UFO. And there is one product by name UFO from Portronics that doesn't have USB type C. This is the difference with this product, where it has a USB type C, and this red one is fast charging USB port, and these are regulars, and this side too are regulars. So total output is 60 watts, as you can see on the box itself it is mentioned. So 60 watts, 6 ports, with quick charge and USB type C. And as I mentioned, the cord length is 1 meter, which is good enough in most of the occasions, because from the plug to the table or some surface nearby, it usually won't be more than 1 meter, right? And even in any charger or any USB cable also will not be more than that. so that should not be a problem. So to charge battery packs like this, or any phone which has a big battery or a tablet, we can use the fast charging port. And here you see it's charging. Similarly, if you have an iPhone, USB type C, and that's charging too. Yeah, overall build quality and all looks good. I don't see any problem whatsoever, and since it has inbuilt cable to connect to the power input, so there's no problems. I mean, your all your USB cables are free for charging the device and not for charging the hub itself. So interesting product, very useful. I liked it. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you guys. And thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.